Cubs! Welcome sa ating panibagong video. And now, I will show you how it feels to be a Kodarateño. Muhammad Ipatuan Kudarat was the 7th Sultan of Maguindanao from 1619 to 1671. Amid his rule, he effectively battled off Spanish intrusions and destroyed the spread of Roman Catholicism within the island of Mindanao. Talaga ng Bansada Beauty, so ang experience mo dito ay hindi mababayaran. Tayo'y nagdiriwang ngayon ng Kalimudan Festival 2020 sapagkat gusto nating ipakita sa buong mundo ang kalawakan ng ating kultura at kung gaano kasaya ang maging Kodarateño at kung gaano karami ang tanawin dito. But being a Kodarateño is not just about having a great food, but we celebrate our good times. We celebrate how passionate we are about our province and how proud we are as a Kodarateño.